Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting WPT file to KMZ. So WPT file is a waypoint tracking. Its abbreviation WPT is waypoint tracking, and it's for storing GPS data. I can open WPT file on my computer, and you can see it has a geospatial information in it, latitude, longitude, data, date, and I'm gonna convert this file into KMZ using application from my website. Let me open my website. So this is my website. To find application, I click on search, type WPT2 KMZ, and I need this create KMZ file. And I need WPT2 KMZ app. So I'll click on download and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. KMZ is like also another geospatial format. It contains information, pretty much the same information, latitude, time, altitude, latitude, and longitude information, and besides that, it's type of the KMZ file we'll be creating is track, because WPT can contain only track, but KMZ can, besides tracks, can contain different information like points of interest and so on. I'll be recording more videos on WPT and KMZ converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI Insight archive, and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this, close this, and double click on shortcut to launch application. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select WPT file. I click on this button to select input file, navigate to my Coastal to WPT, click on next, there are no conversion options here yet, so it will automatically map WPT data to KMZ track data, so we don't have to do anything in here. Just click on next step and click on run button to create KMZ file. Now it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, so I just click save. File has been saved. Now let's go and to my maps. It's a Google map, and create new map and import this KMZ file to make sure that we have correct geospatial data. So this is my file, and you can see we have my file converted. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.